Today we will learn this proximity animation in Davinci Resolve with expression. First you should to add background node to media out. Then after here is a background in here 4 images, but I only need one image. Then I will pick up one image. I will resize it. Then after here is images. You can create like this. I will add some images from here. You can also get this image from this video description. Download it from there. I will make 5 images. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, here's the 5 images. Keep distance with all of the images because we will to create so many modes and transform node. First we should to create modes. I will pick up from here. Same with these images and same with this also. Same with oh no, not I'm doing man. Same with this also. Connect to here, connect to here. But all of the images goes in a background. Select all of the merge and Control T. All merge will be shift to the image foreground. I need one merge node. Connect to here and copy this node. Make it fast to create. Paste, 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 and background will be transparent. Connect all of the background into a background input box. Oh, same with this also. Control T, then after connect here. Sorry, I'm able to connect this node. My mistake, man. What I'm doing. Yeah, that's good. Now add one more node. Now you see all of the images. Now you see all of the images. One I want to put it here. Then after I need XF. One more XF. One more XF. XF means transform. I think you know very well. Now we should to add control like it controls. We need two node. One is except for mouse, and connect to here. This is very big, and change this name to mouse C. In your choice that you can write anything. Now I need alpha node, and we name to control shortcut is cont, just for short name. Then distance automatically detect name sim name. Then after user animatable and slider, here I need one, default will be one or 0.1. Yeah, 0.1, 0, 1. Yeah, 1. Then after okay, and you see here, you see expression. This is your control name. You should to write this node name, just F2 and copy this name and paste it here, and same with this. Now here also you see name CUNT. Then after copy this expression, here is just 5 images, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Middle of the image is this. Then we should to paste it in a middle of the expression, middle of the image, or you see here 5 images. You should to paste it in a middle of this. You already understand. Then after control, then after paste it here, center, I think control center, yeah. Then after we should to write here 2 and copy and then paste it into first image that you paste it here. You see here image. Then after 2 3.5 or 3.5 now, 0.3.35. Then after paste it here. We will resize in a later. Then after 3.5 Then after 5, 5, 6.5. I think 6.5, yeah. 6.6. I always point it, man. This is wrong. 6.5 only. Copy. And then after paste it here. I don't touch it here because I already added one expression in the middle. 0.5 means mid of this rectangle or this. Then here I want to put in last image this image in the middle. 6.5, 8, yeah, 8 will be good. Copy. And then after paste it here. What is the problem in this image? We saw some image is small and some image is big. We saw this. We can easily fix this problem. Little bit. We can make it big. This is very big. We can make it small. This is very big. We can make small. Yeah. This is, I think, very good. Yeah. And this is also big. We can make this small. I will make it this big. Yeah. Now you can see. Now you see problem with why not going up and down, because here is count, then distance will be very low. Distance is very low, that's why we should do increase up. Then after we can make it very good. This is also why this is coming. Yeah. Now this all are is going up. Now man, yeah, I need this. You also need this. Please subscribe for more video. Now last is Keyframe. I think you know about Keyframe. You can keyframe it manually.